My name is Bradley Lynch with Lighthouse Disaster Services. We're based in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and have been open since 2014. My experience in restoration began in 2014, and we have been growing ever since. We're a family-run business with myself and my wife, and during the summer, we even get our kids involved. So I have been a member of RIA since 2016. Was when we first joined the RIA, and then we started coming to the RIA events right around 2019, I would say. RIA is important for me in my business. It gives small business owners like myself a voice in the industry that we're able to amplify much larger than if we were just talking ourselves. It also gives us huge networking opportunities to connect with other like-minded business owners and learn to grow from some of the struggles that they had so that we sometimes don't have to go through those struggles. Other small to mid-sized restoration owners should join the RIA because it gives you a voice and makes you much larger than just being a small to mid-sized company. It gives us a seat at the table at the end of the day. And having a seat at the table to be heard and being able to voice our concerns and problems that we have and have others that have been there and have those same concerns makes it easier knowing that it's not just you that are struggling sometimes. And it's great to build that camaraderie with those owners. And then the next year you come back and you see them again and you're like, hey, that advice you gave me was great. And I was able to implement that in the business and it solved the problem I had. The small amount of money we pay for a membership fee, that takes care of itself right there. Not to mention, a great conference at the end of the day.